Alright, today I'm doing a little lesson on our 3000 watt Renogy inverter. This is a 2014 converted van. We did it ourselves in the garage here about a year ago. I'll give you a quick overview on how I got it set up and where it is at. So it's out back here under the bench. I'll show you that next. Alright, here we are. Renogy 3000 watt inverter in the back of our van underneath the bench on the driver's side. So just gonna do a quick overview on the wiring. It's on currently. You can see we're making 119 volts AC. So on the AC side here, we have inputs and outputs. So the inputs on the right, those are coming from the shore power plug that's outside the van. If you wanted to charge your batteries up when you're at a campground or at home, you would plug into that, and that's where those wires go on the inverter. On the left side, that's the outputs. So that's taking the 12 volts from underneath, going through the inverter, turning it into 120 AC, and I have it powered over here to this AC panel. We have our water heater on that and some outlets throughout the van to charge your phone and stuff. To get the power from the battery bank to the inverter, I have these two big wires down at the bottom, this one and this one. Those are both 3/0. So this one on the left is the ground. So it comes over here and goes to my ground bus bar, and the positives on the other side on the right. And that comes around and goes to the positive bus bar, and I have a master shut off right here. This green plug right here is for a temperature sensor. It comes with it. You could plug that in and loop it down to your batteries, and it just monitors the temperature of the batteries. If they get too warm, it'll shut the inverter off. I haven't plugged that in or ran that, and we've had it in here for about a year and haven't had any problems. This other wire on the left here, the small one, this goes up and goes behind all these walls. This goes behind the shower over to our control panel up here, and that goes to this right here. This is just a switch to turn the inverter on and off. If we're not using the van or we're driving down the road, we turn that off because it pulls some power. When this is all closed up, kind of gets a little warmer here, so I put a couple vents on here. We also have this fan on the side, a little computer fan, and it sucks all the air out and just keeps the air moving around here. Plus this has a fan in it too. If you had any questions, I guess leave them at the bottom, and hopefully I can answer them for you. Thanks for watching.